I've been designing all these little circuit boards and trying to sell them, and so far it's been going pretty good. I order all my parts from AliExpress, but then they come in these weird little packages that are small, hard to manage, and I'm losing everything everywhere. And now that I went from selling like a couple of them to I want to start selling more, and I have this whole stack of boards here that I need to populate, I ended up making my first LCSC order. So what I have in here is going to be for this board, which is a button, temperature sensor, AT-Tiny microcontroller, some other resistors and capacitors, a button on the back, and a coin battery holder, because I have all the screens for this that are going to go on there myself. But let's go ahead and get into it, because I've never opened an LCSC package. So if you're interested, here is what I'm getting today. You can pause it, you can have a look. We got a total of 1,800 items weighing 1.5 kilograms. And then the biggest parts in here are like, I'm stocking up on resistors and stuff. Probably should have got more like capacitors, whatever. But it's the AT-Tiny and the SHT40 temperature sensor that are going to be the main ones. But here we go. This is a lot different than opening an AliExpress package. And first off is, what is this? This is the AT-Tiny, but I have no clue why they put it in this packaging. What in the world? What is this? It's massive. Oh, I think I feel the component strip in there. Okay. I'm not going to rip that open right now, but I guess it's just, oh, look, actually, I can get in this end here. Okay. Oh, that's it? Oh, no, it's the whole strip. Okay, so I guess this is an entire, let me open it up, man. There we go. We're going to tear it open here. Let's see. First time seeing a strip of micro. Did I get the right? Yeah, I did. Holy. Look at this. It's like a hard plastic tube. It's a tube. It's not even a strip. It's like a hollow channel with hundreds of AT-Tinys in there. Nice. That's going to make a bunch of boards. I'll just put this on there for now. I'll try not to lose everything. I'm going to keep everything else inside this bag here. Next up is the coin battery. This is what's going on the back. Right here, I'm going to stick that on there. But I got about 100 of these, I believe. And they're packaged quite nice. And they look like exactly what I need. Sweet. These were not too expensive. I think only like a couple, 20 cents or something like that. Next up, we have buttons. I ordered a bunch of different size buttons because I need to put them, possibly. The goal is to have a side push button so that fits in your hand a little better. But if this doesn't work, because this is my first time using a button like that, then I wanted to have the backup of having a button on the back here. See that? Nice. So some of these are just some of those buttons. So that's a button to go on the back. Then next up, we have, what do we got here? Humidity and moisture. This is the SHT40. This is what I've been waiting to see, because I have no clue. Like, I've seen, are you kidding me? No. Dude, that's small. Okay, hold on. Look, this right there is the footprint for it. Do you see the part in there? I have no clue how I'm going to place and solder this. Oh no, I'm going to destroy so many of these because I didn't get a stencil. That's okay, because I got skills. They're multiplying and I'm losing control. But I think we'll, yeah, wow, those are small. Those are really small. But like I said, I got skills. I can do it. Then next up, what is this? This is the side push button, I believe. Nice. about 100 or whatever. Yeah, about 100 of those side push buttons. They solder down flat, push in there, and then you can hook it from the side. Next up, we have longer push buttons to go on the backs. So the reason why I got a few of different lengths is so that they can go extend past the coin battery so that they can be pushed from the back. Next up, look at this big long roll. It's 1,000 capacitors or resistors, 100,000 ohm resistor. Then this is some 500 ceramic capacitors. Look at these spools, man. I'm kitted up. Then next up, more buttons, of course. So each time I got one of these buttons, like the reason why I got them, because it was like $4 to get 100 buttons. So I'm like, it's not that much just to figure out which one I need. I can eat that loss, you know what I mean? Another set of resistors, awesome. I should have like really loaded up on some of those common values. Because now I have to manage all these, and I think my storage is going to become a problem. Next up, we have ceramic capacitors, just nice and tiny. We'll speed through the last two. Ceramic capacitor between 200 quantity. And let's end it off here with more push buttons, just loosely packed, weird. And more resistors. So that's it for today, man. That's what we got. This is my first package. Now, instead of managing all these packages, I have to manage all these packages, which I think I have something coming soon which might help. It's these little magazines that you can load them all into. But yeah, awesome. It's exciting. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to get your first LCSC order, it's like this. They come in all sorts of bags. It's just like big spools, big rolls of things. All this stuff, so the microcontrollers, the temperature sensors, all those parts, it cost me about $200 US. And the shipping was about $20 or something. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And if you're ever doing an order of like 100 or more, it's time to go to LCSC because that's when it's kind of worth it to get over that shipping price and the quantity discounts. But yeah, so at some point, I'm going to have to try and solder this up. I am absolutely terrified of trying to put on this sensor right there. That's not even funny. But I'm going to try, and that's why we have 40 boards or whatever. So if this is on Twitter, like the video or whatever, or just follow me or whatever. But if it's on YouTube, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe.